Hello students, today we're talking about food. I want you to have a look at my favorite food. This is a pumpkin. It's huge. I love pumpkin soup. I've got some onions. I've got some carrots. And I have ginger because I love drinking ginger tea. Let's have a look at the fruit. I've got an orange, a grapefruit. I've got some lemons. I've got apples, kiwis, one pear, and one mandarin. I also have some nuts, hazelnuts. Let's have a look inside my fridge. Okay, I've got some cheese. This is apple pie, a slice of apple pie. I love it. I've got some olives. I've got dressing for my salad. Tuna salad. Here is some bread with cereals. And here I have some pasta, ravioli. Let's see over here. I've got mushrooms. I've got a head of lettuce, some parsley, and some peppers. Also, let's see over here. We have some eggs. I've got butter. This is a bottle of white wine, a bottle of water, 2 bricks of milk, a bar of chocolate, dark chocolate, my favorite, a jar of mayonnaise, and a can of Coke. Okay, this is my fridge. Now it's your turn. Tell me, what's in your fridge?